If you look at the Brent crude prices, really, those are back from a low of 102 to 112 at this point in time. So $10 of a move is what we have seen in this week. And ditto for crude prices from below 90 to above 95 is how WTI also is trading. The major movement that happened yesterday was, of course, the Greece passing 5-year austerity plan that has given support to most of these asset classes. Especially in case of crude prices, it was also about the U.S. inventories, which declined 3 times what the markets were expecting them to do. Apart from that, it also is back into that hurricane season, and the tropical storm Arlene is headed towards Gulf of Mexico, and that might lead to some shutdown there, and that has been supportive as well. And finally, there are statements coming in from OPEC, and they say that if the IEA does not roll back the supplies in the global markets, they would have no choice but to cut production, and that has been supportive as well. So all the factors at this point in time supporting the crude prices, and more gains is what the markets are expecting from here on as well. It has been good buying in base metal prices also. Copper trading at 8-week highs. Precious metals also saw some buying opportunity, and gold prices, which have touched a low of 14.19 this week, are holding above 15.10 at this point in time. Silver prices gained 3.5% yesterday, holding positive even at this point in time. So there has been a turnaround in commodities, all of them in the green at this point.